Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing some of my favorite everyday lip gloss combos. This is kind of a part 2 to my original lip gloss combo video. That video did way better than I expected it to. That video was a year ago, and today I'll be showing you guys 4 different combos. I'm gonna start off kind of easy to more advanced. None of them are hard to do. It's really just all about the combos, like the different products you're using. I'm going to start off with a brown lip liner and a basic lip gloss. So for brown lip liners, this lip liner I'll be using today, this is NYX, what shade is this? It's called Espresso by NYX. As you can see, I always use this. I also use other brown lip liners. I use MAC, I use Beauty Supply Store. The browns, it doesn't necessarily matter where you get it from, so don't feel like you have to spend, you know, X amount of dollars to get the perfect, you know, lip liner, because that's not the case. Just find you a brown lip liner that you like and that you can consistently use. And yeah, so first all I'm gonna do is align my lips. So I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking. It's really just gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna talk through what I'm actually using, and then you could just follow along with what I'm doing. But first, I'm gonna be using this brown lip liner. Before I do any type of lip liner, I love making sure I don't have anything on my lips. I feel like when I don't have anything on my lips, the lip liner stays longer. And I'm just gonna line around my lips. I lightly rub my lips together. I don't try to do anything extra. You can use your finger to try to blend it in some, you know, like this. Your finger is always a nice tool for makeup. And then all you're gonna do, you're just gonna take a lip gloss that you like using. This is a lip gloss from the Beauty Supply Store. It's lip gel. Literally any lip gloss, and then you're just going to apply that. Sometimes I use like 2 different lip glosses. Next, I'll be doing a more bolder everyday lip look just by using a black lip liner instead of brown, and I'm just going to be using gloss. Now, sometimes I do use brown and black together, but that's kind of unnecessary for this video. I mean, if you want to try brown and black together, obviously you would know how to do that. Since this is black, I'm not going to be as harsh, but I still want black to be very pigmented. So I'm just going to do the same steps, literally the same steps. Now this is my favorite. I love using black because sometimes brown does not stay as long, and black just adds that boldness. So as you can see with the black, I did more of the gradient look that people mainly desire with lip liner. So with this third look, I'm going to be using liner and my clear lip gloss and another lip gloss. This lip gloss I'll be using is by NYX. This is called Miami Babe. I'm not sure if they sell this in the stores because I got this a long time ago, a long time ago, in like a kit. Like NYX used to sell kits with like liner, lip gloss, and I think like another lip gloss. So I got this from a kit years ago, like when I was probably 10 or 11. So first I'm just going to start off with the black lip liner. I love this color. This is easily one of my favorite colors. Of course, you could leave it like this, but because I love my lip combos to be very glossy, I will be adding a little bit of this clear gloss. Just a little bit, not a lot. I will be using my black lip liner again. And now I'm going to be using two different lip glosses. This one is the NYX Butter Gloss in Cookie Butter, and this NYX Butter Gloss is in the shade Fortune Cookie. If you aren't hip to NYX Butter Glosses, I definitely suggest you get hip ASAP, especially for the Cookie Butter and Fortune Cookie. These are two of my favorites. I am using black lip liner for all of these looks, but that is because I feel like black lip liner stays on my lips more than regular brown lip liner does. And I love the look that the black lip liner produces with this boldness. So it's really just a personal preference. Don't get me wrong, I do love my brown lip liner, but black lip liner definitely does stand out more. You just have to know how to use it correctly. That's what it is. Because I know when you think black lip liner, you think, ooh, like that's very bold. And it is bold, but you just have to know how to use it correctly. Because black lip liner can produce the same results that you were trying to achieve with brown lip liner. So after that, I'll be taking my Fortune Cookie first. And I'll just be applying this to my lips. Now, Fortune Cookie and Cookie Butter are both, you know, light colors. So with these colors, you do not need a lot. You do not need a lot, or else your lips will be looking ashy. So I'm just gonna take some of that, rub it in like so. Now I'm gonna take my Cookie Butter. Now, Cookie Butter, you do not need a whole lot of this, okay? I just did a few little dabs on my bottom lip. I'm gonna rub that in. And then I'm actually gonna take some of this Miami Babe, and I'm just gonna put some on the outer corners, like so. So as you can see, this lip combo is giving very much icy princess, but I love it. It's very different. It is more bold, but like I said, you can apply products and switch it up as you would like to. But these are just some combos that I really enjoy doing. This one is not an everyday wear, but this one is nice to do when I do, you know, put makeup on and I want to do a little something extra with my lips. So this concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very much. One thing about me, I do not play with my lip liner and my lip gloss at all. I hope I showed you guys something new, and I hope I was able to introduce you guys to new products that maybe you could go out to buy. Let me know what your favorite combo is, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and also drop some video suggestions in the comments. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much, because I definitely did, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.